Alright, welcome back to Campbell Racing. Doing something a little bit different today, just to have a little bit of fun. This is a hosted race. It's going to be the trucks at Talladega. I believe it is a 20 lap race, 50% fuel load, so we will have to stop. Here's the grid. I did not qualify, just kind of wanting to ride around. Here's the info. One thing that concerns me about this being a death race is it is a 20 lap race and we have 3 fast repairs. That says go all out every lap, and so that should be very, very interesting. This is a TXR recruitment race. I don't know them, but thank you to them for the host. And let's get into it.
Go. Alright, boys and girls, let's get ready to roll here. I'd like to say hello to all the people out there. Thank you for all of your support. Say hello to all the great fans that are here with us tonight. Thank you for bearing through the...
I absolutely love super speedway racing. It's my favorite type of racing. But I typically just try to ride slow and be there at the end. And so what I typically do is stay on the inside, even though you get blocked until till the end, and then try to make moves. With the 3 fast repairs and only 20 laps, I may end up going 3 wide much earlier. I need to practice pushing, especially when I'm in the middle and on the outside. Especially if I'm in the middle of 3 wide, I have a tendency to kind of lose the corner and where I'm at. So I may be working on that. Maybe pushing on the outside. Maybe wreck the whole time. I don't know really what to expect, so we're just gonna go out here and have fun.
Follow car number 55 in the outside lane.
See if we can get a podium out of this.
Line up behind the 28.
They did build a custom setup for this. I don't know a whole lot about custom setups, and so I can't tell how the truck is going to drive, but typically with custom setups, they're easier to suck up to the others. They improve the aero, and so I'm expecting to be able to push a lot better, but I'm also expecting the temps to go up more and faster because of that, and being able to be hooked on for a lot longer. So going to keep the dash with the temps up and try to keep an eye on that. Try to give it a lap or two, see how things are going to go. But yeah, with 20 laps, 3 fast repairs, I'm not expecting respectful racing, to say the least. No 3 wide till the backstretch. Oh, and no yellows.
So hold your line.
Okay, that's that kind of changes the game a little bit.
Slide back in your seat there, man. Give those belts a good tug. Double check your steering wheel. Get a good look at your switches. Get ready to go here, buddy.
So don't need to be all up on him right here.
Are you ready? Watch for the lights. Green.
Got 20 laps to go this time by. Outside. Outside. Still outside. Still outside on your quarter.
Baker is now in the lead.
Still outside.
So just gonna sit here while they get their run. See if anything happens here in turn 3. I'd rather be on the bottom. I feel like I
Well
can
done, Ken. Good start.
clear out a little bit better. But with no yellows, I'm not going to be able to fall as far back as I wanted, and then test those runs just because you'll never catch up to the leaders.
Still outside. Still there on your quarter outside. Clear, 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 clear. Outside.
13th place.
1.783. Still out there. Quarter. Clear. Outside. Clear. Quarter outside. Still outside.
Still just filling it out. Not in any hurry yet.
Clear, clear outside.
This 55 is going to cause a wreck. He's pushing up too high.
Still out there. Too wide outside.
Come on down.
No hole yet, no hole. One outside. Still outside. Still
Sorry,
outside.
that was meant to be.
Still out there.
I'm going to need to move up to get around him soon.
The leader has just done a 51.3 P15. The guy behind has just done a 51.0. The guy ahead's last lap time is a 51.0.
Still outside. Quarter outside. Still there.
I could be way more sucked up to him. I'm not. I'm trying to give him as much room as possible.
Still out there. Clear high.
See lots of guys going in and out, and I'm just trying to
Two outside.
give myself as much vision as possible. Right when you get on somebody's tailgate, you can't see anything.
Still there.
I don't know. It was like I got spun from behind or something.
No hole. 51.413.
That last lap was a 51.4.
I think it no yellows to like halfway or something.
Still out there. Still there on your quarter outside. Still outside.
Thank you.
Still out there, man. Still outside.
Sorry about that 91.
Clear high.
Okay, Ken, the next car is
Almost
Taylor.
like somebody did something stupid going into turn 3. Everybody checked up, and then the back half was going over the middle of the field.
51.532. Still
P11.
inside.
Alright, we're gonna push on, guys.
Still inside. Still there.
Stand for it.
All right.
Just let us know
See
when
if
you
we
want
can
to
go.
Still
Will
inside.
do, buddy.
Gonna be a huge check up here if they don't get out of the way.
Still inside.
I need to get past that 55.
79, you're behind me, but you've been all over the place, man. What's going on?
Pit window is open. Ingram
I was
is
just
leading the
expending
race.
my energy
P9.
there.
The
Going
leader
to
has
the
just done
outside.
51.1. That's a new fastest lap for Applegate.
just make you nervous when you
50.8.
ride the line like
That lap
that.
was a 51.0.
I'll touch any.
Still there. Still there.
The next car is Beersdorf.
All right, I'm getting a little bored.
Still inside.
What the hell was that? That was a huge momentum buster.
Inside one.
Nobody going with me.
Slam on my brakes.
Still there.
That's fine. It's early for it, admittedly. So
Hang it tough, bud.
P13.
Still inside. 51.358. Inside is clear. Inside.
looked like the guy behind me was wanting to go, and then he just didn't.
Still inside. Clear low. inside. Still inside. Still inside.
Baker is now in the lead.
Inside only. Still inside. Stay with him. Clear low.
Oh, that's pretty close, fellas.
Inside.
That was retarded.
Still there at door. Clear low. Quarter inside. Still there. Quarter.
Switching into
51.451. Still with you inside. Clear. Clear.
Nobody seems to want to go 3. I'm going to show it out here and see if anybody goes with it.
Still there at your door inside. 2 wide inside. 1 inside only. Clear low.
We'll stay here with it. He seems to want to go.
Still inside. Clear. Inside. Still there. Still inside. You're clear. 51.9.
15th place. That lap was at 52.0.
I hope he stays with me when we go here. So we are going to have a massive run.
Still inside. Clear him. Clear. Inside. Still there. Inside. You're clear. Inside. Inside. Still there. Still there on the bottom. Clear if you need it. Inside. 2 wide inside. Still there. No hole. 50.664.
Okay, Ken, we're matching race pace. E8. Fastest lap for Smith, 50.7.
Come on with it, son.
50.7.
No hole, no hole. Inside only 1. Still there. Still there.
Hey, we're gonna switch it up. No, I'll put you, John.
No hole, no hole. 1. Still there. Quarter. 2 wide inside. Still there.
And Nadine, me and Michael's gonna switch it up here real soon.
Stay with him, boss man. There'll be a hole. Still there, man. Still there. Still there.
89. We're halfway home. We think about 5 laps of fuel remaining.
Expecting you to go
Your last
around
lap
me,
time
not
was at
split me, but
51.4.
okay. I'm pissed off.
He
right
came
now.
up
We
on
didn't
me.
get no yellow for 5 wrecks, but whatever. Pardon me? What?
Nothing I could do there. He just came up.
I said we didn't get any yellows for like 5 wrecks, so I expect no yellows on. So we might as well.
Well, the whole ideal of this fucking 20-lap race is not to have yellows. There's a race every hour. So, don't get used to yellows in here. Just trying to have good racing. If you got good racers, there are no yellows.
I'm gonna have to pit, I guess, for gas.
Yes, you definitely will have to pit for gas.
Let's see.
Any chance of throwing a yellow? Probably not, right?
Don't want any tires. Let's see. We got
We estimate 4 laps
2.8.
fuel remaining.
No,
E8. You've just done a
no.
52.5.
No flags, dude.
Pit stop. Add 4 gallons.
Acknowledged. 4 gallons.
If I can stay
And
with
how many
them.
gallons do I need here?
3, 4 will get you.
It'll do it for you, man. Just pit.
I need to stay with them to be able to pit. So yeah, no tires, 3.4. Okay. And I will take the faster pair though. So if I can just kind of hang on to this draft enough. I'm definitely losing it, but the quicker they pit, the better for me.
We estimate 3 laps of fuel left.
That helps a ton.
Inside.
The gap ahead is now 1.0 seconds.
Goodness, I'm with you.
Lee is leading the race.
Inside. Leader pit road.
Pit lane speed limit is 55 miles per hour.
5 away.
Box in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Box now.
Leave on me, 10-4.
They were really slow on their entries.
This lap.
Go, 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 go. Good job, fellas. Good job.
Sitting in lane.
The pit exit's clear.
I'm the last pit on pit road, so I'm going to enter to the left, guys.
P12.
10-4.
The leader, Lee, is pitting.
I need to get to them before they get to him.
Taylor, when we get to
Leader pit road.
Cedric, which with me, I'll push him.
Leader's on pit road. Leader pit road.
Make it.
Leader pit road.
I'll go to the back.
Outside. Still outside. Clear, clear, clear.
P5.
Keep it up, bud. You're doing a great job. Inside. Inside's clear. And you're doing a damn good job, you know that? Inside.
Need to get a little closer to him.
Around on our ass!
51.5.
P3. You've just done a 51.5.
That's what I like to see, man. Get them elbows out. 5 to go this time.
That's not a spot up there, but we can use him for draft.
Outside and clear.
Alright, I got him now. The dude's gonna check up a little bit.
10-4, right? Yeah, 10-4, we're good.
Good job, man. Keep hauling out. Start spot that entrance. 51.13.
Alright, Ken, you've got about 4 laps of fuel left.
I need to get a little tighter here. Yeah, they are catching in a hurry. They're catching too fast for me to block or anything. So we're just going to get freight trained here.
The guy behind has just done a 50.5. Smith has been disqualified.
Sorry about that, man. He was right on my ass.
No, all good, man.
Good job there, Kevin. No, it wasn't. You just checked up so much. I had to move out of the way.
Outside. Clear.
That lap car actually checked them up a good bit. We needed that.
51.266.
2 to go. Keep it together. We'll be on the podium. That was a 51.3. Push, 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 or we'll lose this place.
I think he went too early.
Still outside. Still outside. Outside.
Side drafted me pretty hard there.
Clear high, clear high. White flag. One more lap. Inside, inside. 51.32.
Okay, Ken, one more to go. Keep it together, we'll be on the podium.
Still there. Really nice work, boss man. You know what that is up front of you, man. That's a free lunch program. Get it clear.
Really?
Go like hell for a couple, bud. Go like hell.
I'm so sorry, dude. I tried pushing. My bad.
You've got 1 gallon left. You're leading.
Outside. Still outside. Still out
If
there.
he hadn't gone with him.
2 wide outside. 1 outside. Clear high.
And that's how you have to finish Dega.
Well done. Decent drive.
I'll take it. Good race.
Man, we almost had him.
Good job, everybody.
Ooh,
Way to work
that was
good.
fun.
Good win, Kevin. Good job. Good job, guys.
Good job, boss
Coming
man.
out. Our next race is a 70-lap race, hour practice.
We're in it, guys.
Appreciate the guys for the host.
Good win, Kevin.
Yep. So let's go
Good
see
win,
what
good
happens.
race, everybody. Thank you.
That was fun.
Good win, Kevin.
Good win.
Yeah, we'll look at the end and then we'll go back and look at the other. Go back to the beginning of this because I couldn't tell if we were 3 wide or not. No, we were. Okay. I was giving room just in case, but I wasn't certain. So he went to block and he wasn't there. Okay, yeah, I'm giving plenty of room there. Yeah, the 84 just stuck with him. I knew that they were going to do something. I didn't know exactly what or when, and I was just too late on the block, to be honest. So I should start expecting it right here. And he went up, and it was enough. This guy paused just long enough at the time. I mean, it's obvious now, but he paused just long enough at the time that I was like, okay, maybe he's gonna stick with me. And by the time he went out pushing him, it was too late. So anyway, that was fun. Let's go back to see what happens here. This guy was good. I really enjoyed going 3 wide with him. He was a good pusher. Yeah, this was the lap they came up and semi-blocked. I wasn't super happy about it. Then they come, we get another run. And we're 4. And yeah, a little bit of netcode there, it looks like. Yep, there was definitely netcode. But you're not expected to run any higher against the wall, even if you're 4 wide. And so it's unfortunate it took him out, but anyway, this is what it is. Fun race. Enjoyed it. And oh, sorry. Here are the final results. And that'll do it. Thanks for watching.